Assalamu alaikum, good morning, welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new on my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to press the like button. Let's get started. This is gold hourly chart. Yesterday gold tested around 1812 and then bounced back. Today it tested around 1827. Yesterday it tested around 1828 and reverted back. If you notice and if you are watching my videos carefully since so many weeks, you must be knowing that 1833 and 34 is a major hurdle in gold prices. Gold have reverted from 1833 to 34 for at least 3 to 4 times. So make sure you have that resistance in mind if you are trading in gold prices. Yesterday we had PPI numbers. Finally PPI number showed that the US inflation seems to be relaxing a bit. Even though PPI number came higher, but it was less than expected, and we might now can say that inflation could be coming to an end. I won't say that coming to an end. I will just say that inflation might be at peak now. We will have to see next month data to conclude that thing, but it gives a hint that the inflation might be peaking very soon in US. Although yesterday's rise was smallest increase in wholesale inflation in past 13 months, it came, as I repeatedly saying, it came in below a forecast. Now we'll have to see how much interest rate Fed can increase this month, because US US large companies will be very vulnerable if Fed try to raise interest rate very fast, and inflation won't get in control if they don't increase interest rate very fast, and we might not seeing the peak as we have suggested. So two things we have to conclude now. We could, and that is a big could, we could be at the peak of inflation in US and we might see a very gradual decline, but we will have to see next month data in order to conclude this thing. Second thing, we will have to see how much interest rate Federal Reserve can accommodate this year. So keep an eye on those things. Now for today's resistance and support, let's have a look at the chart. 1812, that is the support in gold today. If gold break and sustain below the support, then expect 1800 and 1790. Resistance at 1834, this is a very big resistance. If gold break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 1840 and 1850. Currently gold is in flat to weak zone, so trade carefully. Let's move on to silver. This is silver and these are the levels from yesterday. I haven't removed it because these levels are still valid today. 2295 will act as support. Yesterday it tested 2299 and then bounced back. So again support is still valid 2295. Resistance is also still valid 2350. So gold and silver are in contradict zone. Gold is in a little flat to weak zone and silver is in positive zone. Let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil. Yesterday crude oil tried to go higher but now seems to be coming down. It went around 82, 85 and now it seems to be coming down. So let's have a look at resistance and support for now. 81.30, that is the support in crude oil today. If crude oil break and sustain below the support, then expect 80.50 and $80. Resistance at $82.80. Above this resistance, expect 83.50 and $84. Currently, crude oil is in flat to positive zone, so trade accordingly. And we have Friday today. Friday's closing, so please trade carefully. Friday tend to be more volatile than other days. Let's move on to Forex. First we will see Euro. This is Euro and these are the levels from yesterday's video. 85 is still valid. Resistance, we will just need to tweak the support. Support is still at 45, not 35 now. Otherwise the trend and resistance is same. So below 1445 expect 1400 and 1350. Above 1485 expect 1500 and 1540. Currently euro is trading in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to British pound. This is British pound and these levels are again still valid. We don't have to change anything. So 36.95 again will act as support. If pound break and sustain below this support, then expect 36.60 and 36.20. Resistance at 37.55. Yesterday it went high around 37.48 and then crashed back. So again 37.55 will act as resistance. Above that expect 3800 and 3830. Currently it is in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to cryptos. This is Bitcoin. It had entered in weak zone, so let's tweak the resistance and support. Resistance at $43,800. Support at $42,100. Trend is weak, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Ethereum. This is Ethereum currently trading $32.78. Let's quickly change the levels for this as well. Resistance at $33.70. Support at $31.80. Trend is weak, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Indian market levels. MCX gold resistance at 48,020 rupees. Support at 47,700 rupees. I will refresh these levels around 5 p.m. You can check 5 p.m. levels in community post. You can also check copper, zinc, natural gas, MCX levels in community post. Silver is trading 62,140. Silver resistance stands at 62,700 rupees. Silver support stands at 61,600 rupees. These levels are calculated from 74 rupees 15 cents. I will refresh these levels once INR close around 5 p.m. 5 p.m. levels can be checked in community post. You can also join live stream from 6:45 to 7:45 Indian Standard Timing on my streaming channel. Streaming channel link is in description. For paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is description and it is on your screen right now as well. That was the video, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to press the like button. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signals, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is in description. Leave your feedback in comment section. I read all your comments. Now I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.